welcome back to my channel. Excuse the fact that I look homeless for the 18,000th day in a row. But we got something exciting today. I'm going to show you guys how I make this healthier cookie dough. It's gonna be, well, you can make this paleo, so, oh, and it's only 6 ingredients, so let's get started. Okay, some of the ingredients you'll need, of course, your chocolate chips, maple syrup, vanilla extract, almond flour, your preference of milk, and then I'm using grass-fed butter. You're more than welcome to use coconut oil or ghee. First things first, you'll want to melt your butter or coconut oil or ghee. I'm actually going to be making a double batch of this, so you'll see that I have a lot more butter, and that's not because I'm a heifer. It's because someone else is, whoever's eating all the cookie dough, and I really don't want to drop any names, but it rhymes with Julian. So you'll need to go ahead and melt that. In your mixing bowl, go ahead and get your almond flour ready. We're going to go ahead and mix in all of our ingredients. So that'll be butter, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and your milk. Okay, so you basically should have a glob. Go ahead and mix together. This is what you should have. Now go ahead and add your chocolate chips. I'm using 2 different kinds because I'm bougie. Just kidding. Okay, and then mix your chocolate chips in. And this is what you should have. Now, you'll want to chill this for at least 30 minutes. So, BRB. Okay, y'all. And there we have it. Healthier cookie dough. Look at that. Let me know down below if you guys are going to try this recipe out or if there's any other healthy dessert options that you like to see. Until next time.
Mom.
No.